Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo Flex to bank account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo Flex to bank account. So the first thing to do is to open the Monzo app. Then from there you have to log into your account. Then from there access the payment section, then tap on the payment icon, which is located in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Then from there you have to initiate a transfer. So to do this, you have to tap on pay someone and select make a bank transfer. Then from there you have to enter the recipient details, which involves the recipient full names, and also enter the account number and sort code of the Flex bank account you are transferring money to. Then after that you have to specify the amount you want to transfer. Then from there you have to check all the details to ensure accuracy, then confirm the payment to complete the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Monzo Flex to bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.